Okay, so we've done the outside turning, rough and finish, we've done grooving. Now we want to do a thread. That's another popular cycle, and this sort of gives us all the processes you're doing on OD. So again, we go back to cycle, soft key, and we do have a tab up here for threading. Threading is very simple. You select that, and I've already taken the liberty of doing the tool change. I've got everything set up. What it asks for is a cutting method. This is how the tool feeds into the thread. So if you're doing this on a manual lathe, you have your compound set up on an angle. If you want to do that, you go single depth. That's the best one to choose. Again, we have two with asterisks, finish amount. You can either answer that or bypass it. I always bypass it because I like what manual guide I selects. So we go by that. Then you can tell it either a depth of cut or the number of passes. I always use number of passes. Input that, and then you say 15 passes. In the detail data, it's our approach move Z, then X. The clearance above it, 0.1. Clearance in front, 0.1. And then the clearance at the back, 0.005. That's all the detail data you need about cut data. You insert that, then it comes up and asks you what type of thread we're going to do. We're going to do a standard unified thread, inch. We select that. It's really simple. We're doing OD, so it's a male thread. The thread diameter is 1 inch. The start point is 0. The thread number, that's asking how many threads per inch. So we put 16. The length, we're going to say a 1/2 inch. The thread depth, if you know that off the top of your head, you can put that in, or it's got a calculate button. It'll figure it for you. So I know what it is, but we'll press calculate anyway. It puts the depth in. Thread number of screw, what that is it's for a multi-start thread. You don't want to do that. We want a single start. You press insert because we've answered all the information. That's all you have to do for threading. If you have any questions about the material we covered today, email us at quicktips@fanucamerica.com.